Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Retno Rusyati from the Industrial Engineering Study Program, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Muhammadiyah Magelang. I will present the results of study with Priyanti Waputra Krisnanto and Muhammad Imran Rosidi entitled Risk of MSDS for Workers in the Corn Chips Production Process. Therefore, further research was conducted with the aim of 1. Further identifying work postures in each corn chips production process at the double winner. 2. Identifying subjective complaints that could potentially lead to MSDS among the corn chip makers at the double winner. Methods. Research time April 28, 2025 to June 28, 2025. Research location double winner corn chips located in Kalimiru Village, Bayan District, Purworejo Regency. Research respondents all workers in the production section of the double winner corn chips are 8 people. Research variables 1. Respondents' work posture 2. Subjective complaints experienced by workers. Research methods to identify subjective complaints experienced by workers using the Nordic Body Map Questionnaire, which were then analyzed using the Rapid Entire Body Assessment or REBA method. The characteristics of the respondents are presented in Table 1. There are 8 workers, 3 of whom are female. They are aged between 25 and 66 years and have worked for 7 months to 4 years. The result of measuring subjective complaints using the NBM questionnaire are presented in Table 2. Most respondents experience moderate subjective complaints. The corn chip production process involves 12 stages. Each stage was evaluated for worker posture and analyzed using the REBA method. Provision of raw material stage. REBA analysis shows that disposition is included in Group C with a value of 8 and is in the high category. This condition is dangerous, so it is necessary to immediately carry out an inspection and make changes. The recommendation that can be made is to use a pass trolley to carry raw materials so that the body posture is more ergonomic. Boiling corn kernels with lime water stick. The REBA analysis indicates that this position falls into Group C with a score of 4, which is considered low. Reviews and changes are likely to be made. The neck and back posture tends to be slightly bent with a score of 2 because the position of the boiling drum is not too low. Body posture will not change and MSDS complaints will not occur if the work done is not repeated at the same time. Washing corn kernels after boiling. The REBA analysis indicates that this position falls into Group C with a score of 5, categorizing it as moderate. Requires immediate review and change. The worst position increases by +1 due to extreme rotation and bending at an angle of more 60 which causes the muscles to feel tense. This movement carries the risk of causing pain in the wrists when done repeatedly. Shocking concernal stick. REBA analysis shows that this position is included in group C with a value of 1 and is in the category that can be ignored, so no action is required. Workers do not experience significant subjective complaints or feel comfortable working in this posture. Washing concernal stick. The REBA analysis shows that this position falls into group C with a score of 3, which is considered low. It is possible that an audit and change will be made. This working posture will cause pain in the shoulders and wrists because it is done repeatedly. A REBA score of 3 is considered acceptable, but minor changes are recommended. Failure to make changes can lead to worsening MSDS. Steaming corn kernel stick. REBA analysis shows that this position is included in group C with a value of 4 and is in the moderate category, so it requires immediate inspection and change. The working posture during the steaming process is standing for a long time and lifting the steamer manually. Corn kernel sorting stick. REBA analysis shows that this position is included in group C with a value of 4 and is in the moderate category, so it requires immediate inspection and change. The working posture when flattening corn is upright with a 19 angle because the flattening machine is higher than the worker's body. Drying corn chip stick. REBA analysis shows that this position is included in group C with a value of 3 in the low category, so it requires immediate inspection and change. The working posture when drying is done with the neck slightly bent and the rib can rise above the head. Sorting of dried corn chip stick. REBA analysis shows that this position is included in group C with a value of 6 in the moderate category, so it requires immediate inspection and change. The working posture during sorting is standing for a long time with hands actively sorting through the sheaf. Frying corn chip stick. The REBA analysis indicates that this position falls into group C with a score of 8, which is considered high. This is a dangerous condition and requires immediate inspection and modification. Frying is done by sitting on a small stool for a long time. The frying process involves 3 working positions that can cause muscle pain: pouring the corn chips into the pan, stirring the corn chips, and lifting the cooked corn chips. Packaging of corn chips. REBA analysis shows that this position is included in group C with a value of 7 and is in the moderate category, so it requires immediate inspection and change. The working posture during packaging is bending over when inserting the product into the packaging. Distribution corn chips stick. The REBA analysis shows that this position falls into group C with a score of 3, which is considered low. it is possible that an audit and change will be made. The body posture when lifting cardboard is in an extension position, which means standing straight backwards. Based on the result of this study, it can be concluded that the NPM analysis showed that the average respondent had a medium score, necessitating action to reduce their complaints. The REBA analysis showed that respondents' work posture were at low, moderate, and high risk for MSDS. The average was moderate, followed by high and then low. Furthermore, it is recommended that implementing ergonomic work equipment to ensure respondents' posture are also ergonomic, fostering a safe and healthy work culture among respondents. This concludes our presentation. We hope it is beneficial for both listeners and readers. Thank you. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.